okay, what are the leverage points in your customer's emotions? Right? What are the hot spots? What are the things where as soon as you say something, they change emotional state? And tonight I want to talk about email. Now I have some very strong beliefs about email and what it's capable of. I don't think, for me personally, I don't think there's anything more powerful to do branding, to do direct marketing, to build a relationship than putting yourself in a position where people will allow you to be in their email box as often as you want to be there. Okay? Now, as often as you want to be there is a relative term, and I'm going to explain what I mean by that. Doesn't mean you can email everybody every day. Okay, that's not really what it means. But if you can be welcome in their email box, then it doesn't matter how badly you sell the first time. You'll eventually get to them. If it's possible to get to them, you'll eventually get them. Okay? And I guess if I had the ability to impart anything to you, or to like give you some ability, it would be the ability to build a relationship with people via email. It's so powerful. Okay? And most marketers do it very poorly. All right, in copy, the purpose of every sentence is what?
Persuade.
To make the person read the next sentence.
To make the person read the next sentence, that's right. Every sentence, the purpose is to read the next sentence. In email, the purpose of every email is what?
To get them to read the next email?
That's right. That's right. If they get an email from you and their reaction is, I don't want any more emails from this guy, it's over. Okay? That priority overrides every other priority. Now, if you've built up a lot of goodwill with people, you can afford to piss them off a little bit every now and then, and it's not going to hurt you. Okay? But every now and then, okay, not often. You have an emotional bank account with that person. And every time you tell good stories, you give good content, you make them feel good, you're depositing money in the emotional bank account. And every time you try to sell something, you try to get money from them, you try to make them do something that maybe they don't want to do, you're subtracting. And if that account zeroes out, it's over. Right? You know, how many people do you know where their account is overdrawn with you? You're like, no, not doing you any more favors. I'm not driving my truck to go jumpstart your car anymore. You know, whatever it is, right? You're done doing that. Okay, copy is stored energy, and this is what is so cool. Okay, if you can press a bunch of emotional energy into some sentences and paragraphs, that stays there for years, and when a set of eyeballs comes across it, something happens. I think that is the coolest thing. It is the most interesting kind of asset that, whether it's an email or a series of emails or a sales letter or a video or whatever, if it's persuasive and it sells, it'll sell for years. I love that. That's a fabulous asset.